Next on the healing bench, a Marcrist core drill. This is the big 3-speed. Right, get in and have a look. When you're opening these here Marcrist ones, the gearbox, it is full with a liquid oil. So don't just split it open here flying flat on the bench. You'll have a hell of a mess to clean up. Now, I don't want to split it here, this is where the motor comes on. Otherwise you'll have to open up the back then, put the brushes and all back in to get it sealed back up together again. I just want to split it here. As you can see, it's full of oil that you really don't want to spill out. Now there's a problem straight away. Circlip just lying there. It could just be the clutch. There's a clutch gear here and there's a nut on top. Sometimes they become loose, slacken off. That may need to be retorqued. That could be all this thing needs. Now, the nut on top of this clutch, like I say, has to be torqued down to the right torque. Factory set 55 to 60 Newton meters. That's what she has out of the factory. Maximum 70 to 80 Newton meters as the absolute maximum you can set that to. Any more, even if it's a big man, you're going to break his wrist. So I'm just going to set this one to 60 exactly. Yeah, she was slack. Quite a bit slack. That's her. Yeah. No wonder it was torquing out or slipping. Nowhere near the right torque. That's her on. New circlip on there too. And just remarry the two of these up again. And we jiggle and a shake. There she goes back together. But the modern Marcrist machine just isn't the same. The modern one basically just looks like an Ivan stock machine. So if you were buying one now, you would just go and buy an Ivan stock. That's her. No longer slipping. Sealed core, no problem now without clutching out. Unless you're really dogging it.